What's up? It's Goggles. We're gonna go spy on the whole neighborhood, the entire neighborhood, every single house, spy on every house in this video with this drone. It's a Rotor Riot tank. I know we get a lot of shit for that, but I bought this frame a year before they did their dumb switch to military drones, so I didn't know they were gonna do that when I bought this a year before they did that. Oh, there's a loose bolt in there. Anyways, this is my Rotor Riot tank. It's a Speedy B V4 stack in there. X-Ing motors that are 2208, 1800 kV, a AKK Race Ranger 1 watt. I don't have a button missing out of there. And a Foxeer camera with an infrared filter taken out of it. So right, we're gonna go spy on everyone, the whole neighborhood with this. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's go watch. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. Big shout outs to Joe Photo Leo, Will CFPV. I don't want to make my list too wet. Bartman Dude, Safe Zone FPV, Lambo Drives, Mountaineer FPV, How High Drones, Flapjack, Off Axis, Bot Grinder, Spider Sugar, Blunty, Joshua Bardwell, X-Jet, RC Model Reviews, which is X-Jet's other channel, which is super fucking cool. Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman FPV, Shaky FPV, Zoe FPV, Granny FPV, and Freedom FPV 84. Thanks for hanging out, watching my channel. I'm gonna go dry off now because I'm cold and scared I'm gonna get a brain amoeba from this water. So, anyways, thanks for watching my videos. Woo!